Again, a good morning.
Morning.
So I will carry on from where I left. I promise that I will share few of the things, what is being done overseas, what we are missing. Before that, let me start what Mr. Jitendra said. In one of the audit, our team, they give an observation, you have not done a HAJOP and QRA. So they given us a compliance that this has been done, we closed in the system. Next time when our team went, they have asked for the report, they have shown the report. We found that there are lot many recommendations in the HAJOP and QRA, more than around 40, 50. And even they were not aware of. They thought we were asked to do it, we have done it, that's all. So now the one observation has multiplied into lot many observations. Next time they have complied to those observations, our team went, and they said that you have done so many process changes, you have put some interlocks because of the recommendation. Have you done a MOC, management of change, whether you have seen that whatever changes you are doing, whether they are not introducing any new hazard within the system. So it is like a levels going up and up and up. There is no end to the safety. Let me share few of the good examples. I have been associated with lot many overseas projects, and few of the examples I will be giving from my those trips, during those interactions, during those audits, during that working. I went to one of the Shell plant in Canada. That was my first overseas trip from ONGC Videsh. I went as a HSC expert. In India, if someone is coming, a team is coming, obviously you will put up a lot many people to reply to the questions. If HSC is guy there, presumably there will be someone from HSC who will be replying to it. Very simple. But we were surprised. We were 5 members in the team, and practically one person was taking all the questions to our satisfaction. Now I was a bit surprised whether they have any HSC team or they don't have. So I asked a question, how big is your HSC team? If I ask you, any one of you, probably I will get a figure of maybe 2, 3, 5, 10, or maybe 15. I got a figure of 334. That was the strength of that plant. So I was assumed to see that reply. And actually when we were coming down the ladder, here no one is going to ask you that catch the railing. That guy who was an operation guy, he asked us, please catch hold of the railing. That's a practice with us. So that was a culture I have, first experience of that culture. Then I have seen some life-saving rules written at the entrance at many places. And you go to any Shell plant, you will find life-saving rules written there. People know it, people know by heart. Out of curiosity, I asked them, you call them life-saving rules. So what's different? We also have lot many policies, we write them down, we have lot many procedures. Probably by that time I have not seen anyone in India writing life-saving rules. I don't know if companies are having now. ONGC has developed HSC rules, I know, but others I am not aware of. Then I will come to the difference between the two. So my question was, why you call them life-saving rules? They said we have established these rules based on accident investigation and root causes of those accident investigation last 10 years or so. And these are very simple rules. Take a work permit where our job is non-routine. Don't move below a hanging load. Wear a seat belt while driving. So almost very simple things. I said these are very simple things, okay. You call them life-saving rules, what's big in that? They say if anyone violates it, we give them first warning, and if the person again violates, we send him home. We want to save his life and life of others. So that was the beauty of it. Making procedure, making system, making documents is very simple. We are very good at it. In fact, since I have worked in international arena and even in my interview for Executive Director OISD, the panel asked me what is the difference between the systems, what is there with the overseas majors and with PSUs or rather in India. So I told them that it's very simple, our manuals, our systems, our procedures, we can establish very fine. And in fact, practically I have not found any difference. I have gone through their system in detail during the audits. There is not a much of difference. Only thing is the implementation part. We write it, only few persons knows it, and then remaining people do whatever they still want to do. If someone is there, leaders are there, probably the culture of that particular organization or particular unit improves a lot. Otherwise, you take people, they will come, they will, lot of contractual workers are coming, and probably the contractual workers now are increasing the risk. Let me share about the contractual worker also. ONGC Videsh, we had a operation in Colombia, which is in South America, and we were operator there. So I worked as a head of operation, head of drilling, as well as head of HSC. I was there for a month. I closely watched few of the practices what is being followed. Our shift change, it is 24 hours continuous operation. Shift change used to be at 6 in the morning, 6 in the evening. Shift used to come half an hour before, 5:30 in the morning, 5:30 in the evening. The half an hour the shift used to spend in a bunkhouse. Out of that, 20 minutes is allocated to the HSC guy there. He will give either a presentation or he will show a video or he will demonstrate or have a talk on safety. And remaining 10 minutes will be the operations what are going to be there for the day. So this is first major thing. Second, system of reporting unsafe act and unsafe condition. Generally in India, we have focused on reporting of near misses. Near miss is an incident. It has a potential to cause an accident. Something has happened. और नियर मिस से क्या होता है, हम लोग ऑडिट में जाते हैं, हम लोग देखते हैं, हमारी टीम आके बताती है, सर उस रिफाइनरी में टारगेट था कि आपको 600 नियर मिस रिपोर्ट करने हैं. वो पता चला 2 ही आदमी पूरा रिपोर्ट करते हैं, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द नियर मिस अगर आप स्कैन करेंगे तो ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर है. इनफैक्ट इन वन ऑफ माई ट्रेनिंग सेशन व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू गिव ट्रेनिंग, ऐसी एग्जांपल समझा रहा था कि नियर मिस क्या है. मैंने कहा अगर सांप जा रहा है और आपका पैर पड़ गया, काट लिया तो एक्सीडेंट हो गया, आप बच गए तो नियर मिस हो गया. उसके बाद तो देखिए जिसके साइड पे जाइए सब नियर मिस में एक सांप दिखा था और सांप से हम बच गए, नियर मिस हो गया, बिकॉज वो आपको बताया था, उन्होंने कहा ये एग्जांपल बहुत अच्छा है. ठीक है. अब रिपोर्टिंग ऑफ अनसेफ एक्ट एंड अनसेफ कंडीशंस. आई हैव सीन दिस सिस्टम वर्किंग ब्यूटीफुली इन कोलंबिया. हमारे ओवीएल के लोग जो वहाँ पे साइट पे थे, हम लोगों का जो हैबिट होता है कि जब आप जल्दी में निकलते हैं तो यू मिस सम ऑफ द पर्सनल प्रोटेक्टिव इक्विपमेंट. एंड पीपी डज नॉट मीन ओनली अ डांगरी और अ हेलमेट और अ शू. देयर इट वाज आल्सो मैंडेटरी टू वियर ईयर मफ and as well as safety goggles. These 5 things were compulsory if you have to go in a working area. अभी कोई जल्दी में चला गया, उसने गॉगल नहीं लगाया, ईयर मफ नहीं लगाया, immediately a card will be written with the name, this and this person was seen working and moving in this area, in operational area without a goggle, helmet or whatever it is. वो कार्ड जो है सेफ्टी ऑफिसर को चला जाएगा. Anything and everything, you find out any unsafe act or condition अगर आपको दिखती है. I was as a safety officer that time there, 2012 का बात है ये. If I am moving around, if I see anything unsafe act and condition, certainly it has been noticed by someone and reported it. It will go in the system. Daily we used to have a morning operation meeting where first slide will be from safety. How many safety cards have been received the previous day? From start of that well, how many have been closed? And closed का मतलब है effectiveness of closure also is being seen. हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि क्लोज करते हैं, जैसा इन्होंने बताया, हम क्लोज करते हैं और उसमें हाथ के हाथ सिर्फ काम कर देते हैं, करेक्टिव एक्शन ले लेते हैं, बट इट डज नॉट गो इनटू द सिस्टम. वहाँ पे इट विल गो इन द सिस्टम. अगर प्रोसीजर में चेंज का जरूरत है, अगर सिस्टम में चेंज का जरूरत है, अगर आपका चेकलिस्ट में चेंज का जरूरत है, दैट ऑल्सो विल बी डन. सो दैट विल मेक अ सिस्टम वेरी सस्टेनेबल, जो हम लोग नहीं करते हैं. सो रिपोर्टिंग ऑफ अनसेफ एक्ट एंड अनसेफ कंडीशन, हम लोग यहाँ सोचते हैं कि वो सेफ्टी ऑफिसर का काम है, ये हर का काम है. और आप बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वर्कर की बात कर रहा था, चूँकि रिक्स मूव करती रहती हैं गांव से गांव, वहाँ भी सोशल इश्यूज बहुत सारे हैं. और जिस गांव में आप काम करने जाएंगे, आपको वहाँ के आदमी जो मड लेबर बोलते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पर, द लोएस्ट लेवल, हु डू लॉट ऑफ मैनुअल वर्क, वो लोकल गाँव से ही लेने पड़ते हैं. बाकी क्रू टेक्निकल वन यू कैन ऑलवेज हैव योर ओन. In fact, I have seen those people also deliberating a lot in pre-job safety meeting. I have seen those people even writing the stop cards, because their awareness level is pretty high. यहाँ पे हम लोग एक्सीडेंट इन्वेस्टिगेट करते हैं, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट का आदमी टैंक में उतर जाता है, उसको ये चिंता नहीं होती कि अंदर गैस है नहीं है, किसी ने चेक किया कि नहीं किया, वो आप पे बिलीव करता है, उसको हजार्ड्स का बहुत नॉलेज नहीं है, अवेयरनेस लेवल इज प्रिटी लो. In such condition, it becomes even more important on the supervisory level, on the management level to see ये जो सिस्टम हम बनाते हैं, चाहे वो वर्क परमिट का हो, जो जॉब सेफ्टी एनालिसिस का हो, टूल बॉक्स स्टॉक का हो, हैजॉब का हो, क्यूआरए का हो, दे शुड रिमेन स्ट्रांग इनफ. वो टिक सिस्टम का बहुत फ़ायदा नहीं है. हमारी एक ऑडिट टीम गई, उसने देखा कि वर्क परमिट जो थे वो इंस्टॉलेशन में छुट्टी जा रहे थे, तो आगे के बहुत सारे वो साइन करके पहले ही चले गए कि बाद में कोई भी भर लीजिए. सो दिस डिफीट द पर्पस. उसके अंदर आप टिक करते हैं, वो टिक पता चलता है वो अप्लीकेबल है ही नहीं, बिकॉज यू हैव जस्ट डूइंग इट मैकेनिकली. आप डेली चेकलिस्ट भरते हैं, मैनी थिंग्स यू आर टिकिंग विच आर नॉट अवेलेबल, विच आर नॉट फंक्शनल. दैट शुड नॉट हैपन. सो हमारे ऑडिट टीम जब लौट के आती है, वो बहुत से पॉइंट बताती है. मैं आई गो थ्रू ऑल द रिपोर्ट्स, आई आस्क देम कि ये पॉइंट आप बता रहे हैं, देयर वाज अ लीकेज, सम आपका इंटरलॉक वाज नॉट वर्किंग, फायर सिस्टम में आपने कहा कि नोजल्स वर चोक्ड, यू सेड दैट पीपल वर वर्किंग इन सर्टन एरिया विदाउट अ प्रॉपर सेफ्टी बेल्ट और प्रॉपर पीपीई, हाई नॉइज एरिया डिमार्केटेड नहीं था या इल्यूमिनेशन लेवल प्रॉपर नहीं था. सो लोगों ने क्या किया? रिपोर्ट किया. अगर किया तो मैनेजमेंट ने किया क्या? Our focus is to improve the controls, internal controls of the organization, because that if it improves, system will remain very effective. दूसरा एक और अच्छा चीज जो होता था वहां पर, every week there used to be a safety inspection. Safety officer along with one or two guys, they will move around the total drill site. Whatever is there which is non-compliant, they will notice it, they will record it. And Sunday we used to have a safety meeting. Every week, every Sunday there used to be a safety meeting, जिसके अंदर ये finding will be presented every week. Now you can understand, अगर weekly आपने problems निकाल के solution कर लीजिए, तो आपके यहाँ कितना improvement आएगा. And एक चीज है, self audit is supposed to be the best audit. अगर हम ईमानदारी से करें तो आपका सिस्टम आपको पता है. मेरा ऑडिटर जाएगा तो एक दिन जाएगा, 2 दिन जाएगा, 3 दिन के लिए जाएगा. वो आपसे बहुत चीज़ें फेस पे पूछेगा, हाँ ये काम कर रहा है, आपने बोला कर रहा है, तो वो फेस वैल्यू पे मान लेगा. आपका सिस्टम आपको पता है. सो इट इज़ योर सेफ्टी, इट इज़ योर पीपल सेफ्टी. व्हाई डोंट वी टेक इट दैट वे कि भाई ये मेरा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, ये मेरा इंस्टॉलेशन है, आई हैव टू टेक इट टू द वेरी बिग हाइट. और सेफ्टी अगर आपका अच्छा होगा तो ऑपरेशन अपने आप इम्प्रूव होगा. आई थिंक others let them get opportunity, और मुझे फिर अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी तो I will again have a discussion with you. Even I will like to have few question answers from audience so that I can reply to those. Thank you so much.